Want to turn a qualified lead into a contact, account, or deal? Here's how to convert leads in Zoho CRM the right way. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CRM tutorials. Open your Zoho CRM dashboard and go to the Leads module from the top menu. Click on the lead you want to convert to open the Leads detail page. At the top, click the Convert button. A pop-up window will appear. In the conversion window, Zoho will automatically map the leads info to create a contact, account, and optionally a deal. You can edit the details before converting or choose whether to create just a contact or include a deal. Assign ownership if needed, then click Convert to complete the process. The lead is now moved and available in your contacts and accounts modules. That's it. You've successfully converted a lead in Zoho CRM. Like and subscribe for more quick CRM how-tos.